HAZpro is a cloud-based risk assessment software developed by professionals with many decades of design, process safety, and plant operations experience in the field of oil and gas, power, and petrochemical. HAZpro has been carefully crafted to function as a one-stop source for widely performed qualitative and semi-qualitative risk assessment techniques, such as HAZid, HAZop, SIL, LOPA, Bowtie, and FMEA. Each risk assessment tool is dealt under a dedicated menu for easy navigation. Admin Module is designed as an integrated space for client data, project data, team members list, sessions details, attendance and reference documents that are to be filled prior to starting a workshop. Alternatively, an existing project can be selected from the project list under the Records menu or by clicking next to the project name on the strip below menu band. Records menu also provides option for viewing and exporting client list and project list. HAZid module is preloaded with probable hazard category, subcategory, and guide words. Risk ranking matrix used in HAZid, HAZop, consequence matrix in SIL, and risk priority matrix in FMEA are based on severity and likelihood values widely applied across various industries. However, risk levels and matrix palette colors are completely customizable in HAZpro. This will help companies, corporates, and technical safety professionals to customize the risk ranking matrix based on the risk tolerance levels applicable to their industry and organization. In the HAZop module, node data can be easily copied to next node assessment. This will enable populating complete node data, requiring to make only minor changes as applicable to a specific node. Node List page gives a quick overview of all the completed nodes and has an option to select any node for making changes during the HAZop session. In the HAZop worksheet, guide words, causes, consequences, and recommendations are auto-numbered in order to give an arrayed look to the HAZop worksheet. This will in turn help the scribe to quickly compile the worksheets without needing to arrange assigned sequence numbers after the workshop. An option to view the reference documents at the worksheet page helps to easily navigate to node mark PNIDs and other documents as the session progresses. Under SIL mode, an option to develop a list of safety instrumented functions, SIFs, is provided prior to performing detailed SIL assessment. Consequences related to health and safety, environment, and assets are assessed against various demand scenarios to arrive at required SIL level for each SIF. SIL study is also referred as Instrumented Protective Functions, IPF study. International Standard LOPA worksheet format is adopted covering initiating events, enabling conditions, and condition modifiers for hazard scenarios. Probability of failure on demand, PFD, for various independent protection layers are applied to arrive at mitigated hazard event frequency. Most commonly used PFD values are preloaded and selectable from the drop-down menu. These can also be manually entered with user-specific values. Bowtie module in HAZpro is a very unique and dynamic module. Special feature is that the Bowtie model develops instantaneously on screen as threat, barriers, and consequences are entered in the worksheet. FMEA worksheet uses a standard set of fields for failure modes, causes, and effects. Severity and probability are picked from RPN matrix, which is completely customizable. Summary menu in HAZpro enables quick export of overview for each assessment tool. Node summary, deviation summary, related to HAZop workshop can be taken from this menu. Reports menu provides access to all the reports such as worksheet, recommendations, and action closeout list for each risk assessment tool. Recommendation summary page enables printing and exporting of individual action closeout sheet for sharing relevant closeout sheet with the action party. HAZpro can reduce weeks of report preparation, compilation, and sharing with various parties involved in the project. It has inbuilt features for sending reports, recommendation summary, and action closeout sheets relevant to each party by email. This means that sharing reports is just a click away as soon as a risk assessment workshop is done. For quick and easy understanding of the assessment sequence involved in each risk assessment tool of HAZpro, detailed process flow schemes are provided under the Resources menu. Settings menu provides the details of license type, validity, and user list in addition to the standard features such as change password and logout.